Today we're running sound for a college graduation party at the famous Garcia's. People giving speeches, slideshows, music. Sounds boring, but is it really? We're here a little early, but we already have a visitor, and he brought balloons.
So we're at the venue and the door's locked, so we're just gonna wait around for a little bit. Uh-oh! Get him!
I can't reach him now! Oh my god. Well, guess what? Those ones don't matter.
The balloons got away. See you later, guys. Anyway. Hey, I got a sandbag if you wanna... Yeah, this is 25 pounds, so...
Tie this on there.
Yeah.
And I got a couple more that I'm gonna get out also. Thank you, guys.
Yeah. I'm not a Boy Scout, so this is just gonna sit on top of it.
So when they come, if you would just let them know, they can just put them in the room and then we'll figure it out when we get here.
Yeah, you bet.
We're gonna... Our plans change a little bit.
Yeah.
This starts at 5:30, right?
I think 6, but 5,
Whatever.
we'll be ready. We'll take care of all this here.
Oh, you're from the
Yeah.
restaurant. Okay, let me come wave you over. I'll come stand out in the street. You'll see me in just a second. Okay, thanks. Okay, got it. Thank you. Bye.
Who is that?
That's the TV
Where are they?
around the corner.
Okay.
So let me call the restaurant and call to get somebody here to unlock the door.
Whoa, get all this stuff staged up here. You know what I mean? And once somebody gets here, we'll figure it out. It's been 11 minutes since the doors were supposed to be open. It's supposed to be open at 3. It's 3:11. All right, cool. And the TV guys are here. This gig's so simple. I say that now. I'm not worried about it. And of course I forgot my stands. They're in the car. Oh, I'm right here. Yep, how you doing?
What's up?
Oh, it feels good in here. Yeah. All right. I'm slowly starting to remember why we'd put things over here the last time we did it. It's because there is no power over here. All right, I think I'm gonna put everything in here. There's like, last time we were here, we put everything in that entranceway, which kind of sucked. We're just gonna put the speakers over there, but I'm remembering why we did it. It's because there's no power over here anywhere. But I think I'm just gonna go behind the bar and drop a cable down there. But I gotta take this stuff off.
Okay.
Yeah, so currently I'm thinking of speaker 1 and then speaker 2. Or you could put them over there. It'd really be out of the way and closer to power. I think that might be what we do, Mary Grace. Just on the stands. Huh?
I think you're right. I think that is what we did.
No, it's not, but we're gonna
it's
do
not?
it this time.
Oh, okay. Maybe we talked about it.
That's what I'm doing. Well, that should be real clean. So here's what we're gonna do. I think we might need 2 of these. First, I need to figure out how to get behind the bar, which I think this back here, maybe? Oh yeah. Now, do we want to hook up to the power, but has the blender attached to it? It's next to the water. We'll see. I know this is probably gonna like violate something. Or, well, that's attached to a fridge. What do you think?
Fridge. Away from the most amount of water as possible.
Yeah, I don't like water. And we'll see what the power's like. Okay, so just gonna run it over the bar. Everybody stop panicking. All right, Mary Grace. And we'll just tape that down. It's pretty heavily trafficked, but it is what it is, right?
Yeah, I mean, I think we've had worse.
So then I'm gonna I need to move that real quick. And then all of our antennas are just gonna go over here eventually.
On the front side of the wall.
Yep. So it's literally just gonna be like this. Boom. Kinda likey.
I mean, I think not having it in the entryway is,
Yeah, no one's gonna notice it back here, and we're just gonna let it be. And we'll come back to the rack in a second. Huh. One right here. Yeah, that's gonna be fun. Just against that. You know what I
Are
mean?
you running these wirelessly?
Yep.
Nice. I figured with your rack placement that you were, but
Oh yeah. Okay. We'll just kind of tow them in a little bit.
did you get the stands out of the car, the poles out of the car?
I forgot them. And then these IEC cables that I made.
Yeah.
25-foot IEC cables. Custom. Oh yeah. Okay. Let's go tape that down. Did I? I did. Excellent. Okay. Oh, this can close, right?
Oh, yeah, you want to bring in those balloons?
Where's the other ones?
The black ones?
Yeah.
I guess they blew away.
Oh, Mary. That's not good.
They were tied to the bug, weren't they?
Loosely. This is just gonna sit on top of it. That should be fun. Here. Well, now we'll see if we can replace this guy's balloons because I lost the other ones.
They blew away from the patio and the sandbag.
Oops. Some still made it. Hopefully nobody trips on this, you know?
I think just tape it down good, put some yellow on it or orange.
I don't know how to make this more visible. Okay. Do you want to try to find a balloon?
Let me try and find a balloon real fast.
So what kind of balloons did you get?
I got black, shiny, helium 2026. I don't know if they're the same size. They were $35. I'm really not sure.
Whatever. Oh, I didn't see that one. Hey, I'm not the balloon guy.
Oh, God.
We'll have to pull it down with some tape.
Hey, bye.
We'll see you tonight. Yeah.
Tonight at 9, yes.
Okay, bye.
Thank you,
Have a good
guys.
night. Thank you. These balloons just have a mind of their own.
They do. They do. This is just gonna come over here. Okie dokie. We'll see what his reaction's like.
Well, we've ordered more.
Yes, we did.
For all we know, they could have done that.
Antennas will go here.
I mean, he lost 5.
They're not my balloons. Oh! Stay tuned for the balloon unveiling, whatever you want to call it. Let's put the stereo bar back on because this thing's sweet. Since we're doing wireless microphones and also wireless speakers, we have 2 stands. There's that. iPad control. All right, where's my loom that has Cat 5 and BNC cable? This is it. I always get confused on which side is the good side, or which side's the side I need. And that one here, Ethernet out, I've kind of switched around. It's like this plug right here. It's like extension. I'm not even gonna bother with tape on this. Yeah. All right. There's the microphone. Huh?
I was gonna say we're like almost halfway through the year. Like, is this like the favorite thing that you've gotten so far this year? Is like this bar, or is the loom discovery?
I'm just taping it, or making looms. I'm the loom master. Yeah, the looms are pretty sweet. Also, the quick release things are pretty great on the antennas. Don't really need them for microphones, but the antennas are fantastic. We have to make sure everything works. I haven't set any of this up previously, so I do have to make sure it all works. We might be done in record time, Mary Grace. We don't have that much time, do we?
Well, you're almost done.
No, I'm not. Still got to put the speakers up. All right, cool. That's done. Let's turn on everything in the rack. I can't. I hate that the on switch to this thing's in the back. There we go.
Justice, I needed to help you.
All right, man.
Oh, you need to go get the poles from the car.
Yeah. Hey. Hey. Okay. These are hot. Stay there. There's plenty of room. Oh, this is a fairly easy gig, apparently. All right. There is power. How you feeling filming this time around?
I'm feeling like a little bit better every time, I think.
Okay, good.
Physically, I still don't feel like 100%.
Those didn't get turned off. All right. Wireless. The batteries need to be changed. There's a mic. 2 receivers. I gotta use these in Midland last. They got half battery power probably. We'll swap those out in a second. Get the connectors. Yeah. Hot out here.
It's only May.
I know. Do that one like that. Who's that?
It's people in the cooking.
Hello. I don't know that I've ever used the QSCs wireless.
That's what I was just thinking. Cause
yeah, I think I taped these for the EVs.
you can always, once you replace the batteries, just put a little reinforcing gap tape, maybe.
But I think it's okay. Okie dokie. Oh, I didn't sync it with a new frequency. All right, let's see what happens, Mary Grace. Always see if we have signal on the iPad. We do. 472.35. Hey, check 1. Is that going? Hey, 1, 2.
Do it again?
Hey.
No.
1, no? Okay. Take a picture of what this frequency is. Oh, I know why. It's not plugged in.
What's not plugged into the unit?
The in-ear unit. So output 1, which is like the output of the in-ear unit, needs to go into.
Oh.
That was it right there.
I heard it.
Needs to go into the output 7. Now it's working. Hey, 3, 4, check, check. That one's working at least. Hey, check 1, 2. Hey, hey. Hey. Check 1, 2.
Oh, it's coming out of that one.
This one seems a lot weaker. What do you think?
I don't know.
Hey, check 1, 2. That's just that one.
I mean, they're plenty loud.
Yeah, but like, that's not even close to the same. You know what I mean?
Yeah, so turn that one off.
What?
Turn that one off and then just turn the other one on.
Yeah, okay. Hey, 3, 4, check. It's pretty substantial, isn't it?
Yeah.
472.375. Hey, check 1, 2, hey, hey. 1, 2, 3, 4, hey, hey. Hey, check 1, 2. I mean, I guess we can just go with that. What do you think?
Yeah, just go with it and figure it out later.
Yeah, it's just, that's crazy.
Well, maybe if you let it go and then think about it for a little bit.
All right. I'm not sure why this is happening. It's crazy.
Makes me think something's wrong with the speaker though.
I'm just gonna use a different unit for this one and see what that does. Okay. All right, we'll see if that changes anything, because that's insane. It's 5:30?
5?
It starts at 5?
Yes.
Oh no, okay. We don't have that much time. Hey, check 1, 2. Same thing. Still the same thing.
You want to switch out a speaker with one of the EVs in the car?
It's just what we're gonna go with. All right, just kind of mixed at the speaker. I don't know what's going on with that. I think I got some stuff to figure out, but right now the speakers are just balanced pretty much on the back of the speaker, and you can't really tell a difference. Luckily, tonight's very simple. It's just a couple of guys speaking on a microphone and music, so I guess I have some work to do in my garage.
Just try and get that balloon down.
Yeah, let's get the stupid balloon down. I've already lost some of this guy's balloons. I might be able to just pull it down, honestly. I don't want it to float up even further. So, oh gosh. And we'll see if that pulls it down. Yeah?
Yeah.
Hey! I'm taking all the credit for that.
Nice.
Ah!
Now what? What's wrong? Maybe just leave the tape.
Okay, I got it. All right, we've saved one of his things. Were they okay with their balloons, Mary Grace?
Yes, they were very happy that we replaced the balloons.
Okay. I think I see them over there. They're okay with their balloons?
Yes. I didn't realize the string would be white.
You can kind of see the black ones up.
Outside, yeah.
Outside.
The ones we lost.
Yeah, those flew away on my watch, but whatever.
Welcome, everyone. Just want to say thank you all for coming out. One,
That didn't
huge
happen.
congratulations to all of the boys.
What are you doing? This is the last thing. Well, one of the last things. Do we have water?
I have a little bit left.
I want to go home. Let's go home.
Whenever you get close to the camera like that, it goes out of focus.
It's okay. Doesn't matter.